skeletal system. Bones and joints form the skeletal system of the body. What are the functions of skeletal system? There are mainly four functions are there. First, support and protection of soft tissues and vital organs. Second, to give achievement to muscles. Third, formation of red blood corpuscles in the bone marrow. And fourth, storage of minerals, salts like phosphorus and calcium. Next, classification of bones. Bones of the skeletons are classified as 5 types. First, long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones, sesamoid bones. First, long bones. They are found in the lips. A long bone contains a shaft and two extremities and help in various movements of the body. And second, short bones. Those have no shaft but they contain a spongy substance covered it by a shell of compact bones. Third, flat bones. They contain two layers of compact bone with a spongy substance in between. Example, pelvic bones. Next, fourth, irregular bones. They do not fall in any category. Example, bones of the face. And last, sesamoid bones. Those are small bones which develop in the tendons of muscles. And next, structure of bones. Bone is the hardest of the connective tissue. It consists of two kinds of connective tissue. First one, compact bone and cancellous bone. Compact bone, it is hard and dense. It is found in flat bones, in the shafts of long bones and as a thin covering of all bones. Cancellous bone, it is spongy in appearance. It is found in the ends of long bones, in short bones and in between two layers of compact tissues of flat bones. Next, development and growth of bones. Formation of bone is called ossification. Bones of the skeleton are developed in two ways. First, some bones develop in sheets of fibrous tissues, means intramembranous ossification. And second, other bones develop in bars of cartilage, means intracartilaginous ossification. In both cases, bone cells called osteoblasts. Here, calcium salts are deposited to give the necessary hardness. This process of bone development occurs before birth. After birth, the bone grows from certain centers in it. Next, bones of human skeleton. A total of 206 bones form the human skeleton. Those bones can be classified as bones of skull, bones of trunk, bones of upper limbs and bones of lower limbs. In bones of skull, there are bones of cranium, face and lower jaw. Next, bones of the trunk, ribs, sternum, vertebral column. And third, bones of upper limb, scapula means shoulder girdle. Next, humerus means arm bone, radius and ulna means forearm bones, phalanges means finger bones, and next Bones of lower limb. In bones of lower limbs there are pelvic girdle means hip bone, femur means thigh bone, tibia and fibula means leg bones, metatarsal bones means foot bones.